Okay, this video is going to be about Bekonix groups and how is it that we can play two different programs, two different compositions on the same controller and using the same single wire out of the same port, but yet it plays two different programs. First of all, you can ignore this device. This is my microphone. I'm not using that in this program, and the 4 wires that go to this device would not be necessary. This is a battery. These are 2 color bits that are wired together, but the important thing is they're wired from this input to this output, and then by 3 wires to the input of this color bit. Now I'm going to show you how we programmed this. This is the way my app looks when it comes up, my designer app. Open folder. And if I open this project, it shows 2 squares. And if I click play, you'll see that they're playing the 2 different timelines. Now, how do you get that? We have to go to components. We're on timelines right now. We need to go to components. And now we see the 2 components, and we see that they are wired. This indicates a dotted line that you've got solid input data here and then in series from this one to this one, not directly from this to this. That's important. Now, notice what's not down here. You want certain little icons to show up down there. If I click on this, here, now they've shown up, and if this icon right here, this square with a corner missing and an arrow, if I click on that, now I can highlight. I'm using the mouse or the pad, left click and drag. Now this has shown up, the number of pixels I'm talking about, 25, and when I click on that, it asks me which group I want to assign which composition on timeline. And if I click group 1, which it used to be group 2, now I've assigned it to group 1, then when I go back to timeline, it's going to assign this group of LEDs to this first group of LED compositions. Hope that's clear.